everyone. I'm okay. As you can see, the weather's getting better. Yeah, I was able to simple celebration lang. Kasi he's okay. Today he ate lunch, but he can't remember what he ate. Basta karne. Pero kumain pa rin siya ng snacks. The same, yung pancake, gluten-free nuts, and Coke Zero. He's not very fond of international events, no? You know, he's very patriotic na puro atin lang. Kaya hindi siya masyado nasisiyahan sa mga ganun. That I haven't discussed with my father also because we don't wanna add to his burdens. With that naman, I have no comment with the political side of it, no? But I know my sister. I know that she can be many things, but she's not a thief. She's not dishonest. Ayun talaga. So I know that she can withstand what she's going through right now because she has her truth. And at the end, that will prevail. I mentioned them just now to my father, Congressman Leviste and Bert. And he's quite fond of them because I think he respects people who are like him, outspoken, brutally honest. So he's fond of them. He mentioned their parents kasi halos kabatch niya, kakilala niya. So, they're doing well, no? I think, I don't really involve myself with it, but I think they're doing good. I think that the Philippines, the people, the masses need more people like them. Yes, they are young, but because they are young, they are more, usually kasi when you're younger, you're braver and you have a stronger sense of fight in you ba? So I think, in general, we need more people like that. He asked again kung ilan kayo. Sabi ko, Papa, hindi ako calculator. Hindi ko mabilang yan araw-araw. But I did inform him that some supporters from the States were here yesterday, if I'm correct. Although, hindi ko na-mention yung taga-Ireland kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman. But I said na there are a lot of supporters from all over the world coming to visit you here. And ayun, they're waiting outside. Aside from my personal life, I have my school. Kaya naka-shades ako kasi pag first visit and last, umiiyak ako. Siyempre, namimiss ko yung tatay ko. So, mauto ako siyang giluok-luok. Kaya manggod siya. Pag tindog na, bago na siya mag-exit, ako siyang luok-luok ko. Dito sa aping, puno kay lip gloss iyang aping kay ako lip gloss. And sabi niya sa mga guard, what can I do? This is how my daughter wants to say her goodbye. Luok-luok daw. Dumuna ko na siya. Antod na siya, maana na siya matumba. But, secretly, he likes it. He's very happy. Pag alam mo yung exit na sa corridor, yung akala niya wala nang nakakarinig, sila na lang ng guard. Well, what are daughters for? You have a daughter, and then, pinagmamalaki niya. You may find my message redundant, pero all I can say is thank you time and time again, because time and time you prove that you are here, you are with us, you are standing with us and with the truth. Every day I see these new people coming to visit here, and I fly here every few months for my father, so I know how emotionally, mentally and physically taxing it is. So for me to think of people who don't even have a personal relationship with him but are making that effort and taking the time, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. This is not something we take lightly. The whole Duterte family, we remember always. You know that. And like I said before, hindi lang kami lumalabas tuwing election. We are always here. Well, at least me in my own ways. But maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, and every one of you here, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. To everyone that I will not be able to meet in person, I want to extend my deepest gratitude and appreciation for you. And of course, PRRD also. So, next time, sana may head count kayo. Mag-head count na kayo bago ako pumasok kasi hindi ko yan kaya, para masabihan natin siya. O akuan, pang tabo ng mata. Second, maganda to ko galing kayo. Lalo dito sa thank you. Buang man siguro ka. Kadaad sa 4 seasons na sila na pa siya ipadrama, ingon siya. Basta ako ready na ko. Ganyan ako siya. Paghilom na buwang ka diha, 58 years old ka nanguwag, unya ready na ka mawala. 58 man siya tong nabuhat ko. Tuga kag himo tapos mag-ready ka diha.